If you're managing an agency, you already know how chaotic operations can get, right? But what if there was a way to streamline everything from client communication and task management to invoicing and workflows all under one roof? Well, that's where SuiteDash comes in. In this quick explainer, we'll walk you through setting up SuiteDash for managing your agency's operations, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get the most out of this platform. Let's dive in. First off, when you log into SuiteDash for the first time, you're going to see a dashboard that's designed to give you an at-a-glance overview of everything happening in your agency. From here, you can easily access your clients, tasks, invoices, and more. The key thing here is that SuiteDash centralizes your processes into one platform. Now, let's move on to setting up your clients. Next thing, you'll want to add your clients. Setting up clients in SuiteDash is straightforward. Click on the Clients tab and hit the Add New Client button. You can fill in all the necessary details, including contact information, project notes, and even create custom fields for each client, depending on the unique needs of your agency. This ensures you have all the essential info at your fingertips. Moving on, SuiteDash is fantastic for task and project management. After adding your clients, the next step is creating workflows and assigning tasks. This part of SuiteDash really shines. You can create custom workflows that reflect your agency's processes, from the initial client onboarding to final deliverables. The Tasks section lets you break down these workflows into individual actions, assign them to team members, and set deadlines. Everything syncs in real time, so you and your team will stay on the same page. But here's where SuiteDash could use some improvement. It's not the most intuitive tool when it comes to collaboration, and there are times when finding specific task details can feel a bit clunky. Next, let's talk invoicing. SuiteDash allows you to generate professional invoices directly from the platform. Once you've completed tasks or projects, you can go ahead and bill your clients without having to switch to another tool. You can customize invoice templates, add items, and set due dates. But there's a downside. Some users have pointed out that the invoicing system can feel a little rigid, and it might not offer as much customization as some dedicated invoicing tools. Now, let's get to the fun part, automating your agency's workflows. SuiteDash gives you powerful automation tools. For example, you can set up automatic client reminders, trigger emails when a task is completed, or even automate your billing cycle. Automation is great, but SuiteDash doesn't quite match up to some of its competitors in this space. More flexible automation rules, such as the ability to trigger actions based on multiple conditions, are lacking in SuiteDash compared to some other platforms. Now, I know you're probably wondering, what are the alternatives? SuiteDash is great for basic agency management, but if you're looking for something with a more modern interface, deeper customization options, or smoother team collaboration, we've got some recommendations coming up. Stay tuned, because we've also got an exclusive and extended free trial to SuiteDash for you, along with a few tools that might be a better fit for your agency's needs. So, to wrap it up, SuiteDash is a solid choice for managing your agency's operations, but it's not without its flaws. Its ease of use for client management and project workflows is great, but if you need advanced features or a more intuitive experience, you might want to look into alternatives. Through our link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. We've also included some amazing alternatives that might better serve your agency's goals, and they come with free trials too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links below for your exclusive offers.